Fast, fast, fast. So happy Women's Day to all my lovely ladies and also my birthday too. So I'm so proud and excited.
Ta-da!
What is this? Hello friends, welcome to Seline's Recipes. Today I have come up with a vlog of my birthday celebration on Women's Day. We had been go to Golden Palm Resort in Bangalore for the celebration. So let's get into the video.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. Try to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray. birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
What is this? Jewelry.
This is for you.
By me, my brothers, and my open it up.
Wow, so cute earrings. Super. Thank you so much.
Planned by me, my brother, and my thank you so much.
What's inside?
It's an Apple Watch. Just kidding.
It's a chain necklace. It's a chain. Wow, so cute.
So cute, guys. Look at these little things.
Thank you so much for this amazing gift. Thanks a lot. Thank you.
If you watch till here, then you are a true fan. So, bye. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.
And don't forget to subscribe Seline's Recipes YouTube channel. Stay tuned for new videos. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
Good night.